Today I found another book by Karma Wilson. We've read a couple books with this bear and his friends. This one's called Bear Snores On. Big Bear here is hibernating through the winter, taking a long nap and resting. Well, his cave or his lair is very cozy, so his friends come in to get warm. And then he wakes up. Oh! How do you think he's gonna feel when he wakes up and there's people or animals in his cave? Let's find out. Bear snores on. Ooh, brr. The illustrator, Jane Chapman, used a lot of different shades of blue here to create the snow and the cold forest. I even see some animal tracks here leading to the cave. Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. Illustrations by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-pat-tip-toe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. There it is, he made his little fire. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. There's Hare. That's a kind of rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they drink black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the bear's den. In the great bear's den. Oh, look how cold it looks outside and warm and cozy in there. They look like they're dancing. Let's read the words. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Look at his face. Yikes. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, well, take a close look. I see tears coming out of that bear's sad face. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Oh, what a good friend. Oh, look. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. They were tired from all that partying. Poor Bear's all alone now, the only one awake. So at first, when he woke up, he seemed a little upset. He was mad. But really, he was sad that he missed the fun, and his good friends made sure he got to enjoy some fun. Have a great day, friends.